Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable specific applications from running in the background on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Programs, Best Match, come back up Add or Remove Programs. So go ahead and open that up. Locate whatever app you don't want running in the background and select the three-dotted icon next to it. Some items will not have additional options though, so you can't adjust it for those items, but for some of them you can. Most of them you can actually. And then you would go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to whichever app you do not want to be running in the background and select advanced options. Please note that not all apps will have these options, or advanced options I should say. So if you scroll down underneath where it says background app permissions, let this app run in the background. If you click the drop down, just set it to never. And then once you're done with that, you're good to go. And you don't have to make any adjustments. Please keep in mind that there's some dependencies that certain apps may have on other programs that if you disable things like the camera from running in the background, you may not be able to access your webcam, for example. So just keep that in mind, and then you can always come back in here and just turn it back on if you have to. So not really a big deal either way, just so you keep that in mind. But as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.